Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today I want to try this lemon freeze bar recipe. I've actually had it in my book for quite a long time and I really want to try it and because I love lemon. So let's go ahead and get started on it, okay? All right, we're going to start with our graham cracker crumb, which I've already got in my food processor, and we're going to add some butter. So we can get this all nice, ready for our crust. There we go. I think that ought to do it. Perfect. All right, so let's get this off here. This is a super easy recipe. It does just take a little bit of time, obviously, because you've got to freeze it. So put it in the freezer for about 3 hours or so, but start it early enough in the day, and then we'll be ready by the time dinner gets here. So works for me. All right, so we just got to get this all mushed in so it's all where it's supposed to be. All right, so we've got our crust all ready to go. Now we're gonna start on the filling, okay? So we've got sweetened condensed milk, the entire can. It's gonna get poured in here. We all know how fun sweetened condensed milk can be to get out of the, and perfect, okay. All right, now we have got our lemon zest. We're gonna throw that in here. And then we have, come on now, all of it's supposed to go in there. Every last bit. Try to chip me. And then our lemon juice. All right, so now we're just gonna get this all whisked up until it's all combined. All right. This is all combined, ready to go. You can smell that lemony. All right, now we've got our cold whipping cream because we are going to whip it up. Oh, sure. Let's get all that in there. Now this, of course, will take a couple of minutes. All right. This has been whipping up for a good couple of minutes until we get it right where we want it. All whipped up, just like how we like it. So, there you go. Move on. We're gonna fold this in here, and but before we get started on that, don't forget, like and subscribe, and click on that link tree to see some other fun stuff. And I do appreciate you guys doing that for me. Thank you very much. All right, let's get this folded up. All right, so we're just gonna fold this all up together. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. We're all ready to go. Yum, yum. All right, so we've got our crust very much ready for us. And we're gonna take all of this and get it scooped in, get it all spread around, and make it look pretty. You can smell that lemon yumminess. I do love lemon. All right. Get that all nice and smoothed out. And then our very last step is we're going to take some graham cracker crumb and we're gonna sprinkle it all along the top. Make that look all nice and pretty. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. See? I'm gonna get that yummy graham cracker flavoring for sure. Yeah, that ought to do it. And then, last but not least, we've got a little bit of the leftover lemon zest that's gonna go along the top. Because you got that yummy lemony, yummy lemoniness. Yummy, yummy. All right, there we go. So we are going to get this covered and we're gonna throw this in the freezer for about 3 hours. And then we'll get those bars cut and we'll give it a shot, okay? Okay, these lemon freeze bars have been in the freezer for about 3 hours now, so now we're gonna cut into it. We're gonna try this puppy out. Be good, I hope, I hope, I hope. Now I'm sure if these were to stay in the freezer overnight, they'd probably come out even harder, but I couldn't wait that long, so we did the recommended 3 hours. So let's see what we can do here. All right. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. Well, looks pretty good. Chloe agrees. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's yummy. Yeah, that's really, really yummy. Especially on like a hot summer day. If I close my eyes, I can feel like it's a hot summer day. Yeah. Yep, good stuff. I love that it's relatively a small portion, so I'm not making way too much. I love how super duper easy it was. And I especially love how yummy it was. So I hope you guys had a good time. I know I did, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.